In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple pages on card.co. Before we dive in, there's one important requirement. Multiple pages are a Card Pro feature. You'll need Pro Standard or higher to follow along. If you're on the free plan, you can still watch to see how it works, but you won't be able to add extra pages until you upgrade. Start by logging into your card account and clicking Upgrade at the top. Choose the Pro plan that suits you and complete the checkout. Once you're on Pro, you're ready to build a multi-page site. Open your site in the editor, look for the Pages panel in the sidebar and click it. Then click the plus icon labeled Add Page. Give your page a clear name like Home, About, Services, or Contact. Short descriptive names will become the labels you'll use in navigation, so keep them simple and consistent. Repeat this to add as many pages as you need. You can reorder pages by dragging them in the list, and it's a good idea to set one page as your main landing page so visitors know where to start. Next, add content to each page. Select a page in the Pages panel, then insert elements like text, images, buttons, forms, or embeds. Use headings to structure your content and keep paragraphs concise. Images should be optimized so your pages load quickly, and you can use consistent colors and fonts to keep your site cohesive. Forms and embeds are supported on Pro, so if you're collecting inquiries or showcasing media, now is the time to drop those in. To let visitors move between pages, add a button element. In the button settings, set the action to go to a page, then choose the target page from the drop-down. Label the button clearly like About or Contact and repeat this for any links you need. Many people create a simple navigation bar by adding a row of buttons at the top of the home page and then duplicating that row onto the other pages, updating the active state as needed. Make sure there's an easy way to return to your home page from anywhere. When everything looks good, click Publish. Choose your site's URL on card or connect your own domain if you have one. Confirm the details and publish. Open the live link, click through your buttons, and verify each page loads correctly. If you need to adjust anything, go back to the editor, make your changes, and publish again. That's it. Your multi-page card site is live and ready to